Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Asim bin Hisham, magic number 2312X67, and now I'll be recapping whatever that we have done throughout our projects, especially in our documentation. So our project is Ali's Kitchen. So let's start with the introduction. So the aims of our project is basically to create a user-friendly platform that can be used by the student for efficient ordering. This, of course, based on the Mala Ali cafeteria. Some key features of this web page is like home menu, about us, queue and cart, and yeah, and also student can view those things that they have ordered and check their status and their ETA. Yeah, so let's talk about the project description. So let's talk about the goals first. So our primary goals of this website again is to showcase the menu, enable ordering, and provide a strength. Of course, this is the normal function of our website. It's the main function of our website. So this goal can be achieved. This goal can be achieved from the pages, homepage, menu, about us, queue, and ordering cart, of course. And then ordering system and menu details, ordering, online ordering available with payment at the counter for convenience. And of course, in our website, we also include uh, the the method to pay online, not just we have to pay physically at the counter. This is something we put some additional features into. So of course, the menu item will display the dish name, price, and image. And then about the promotion and checkout, this is will be at the homepage. Sorry, the promotion will be at the homepage, and checkout is when you order the things. So discount announcement, this is for at the homepage. Checkout, guest checkout enabled with optional account creation. And then contact and design. This I think this is on the about us page. Yes, it's about us. So the design is warm colors, and let's talk about users action and responsiveness. So the key action for our website is to view menu, place order, check queue status. This is our for users action. So about responsiveness is mobile friendly. So we can also use this website on, it's not just on our PC but on our mobile phone. And lastly, the features and promotion. Mobile. So, same thing. Um, Order status. This is the features. Order status. Display estimated delivery time and status after the order placement, and also customization. So the text box for special instruction at the checkout, we will have like a special instruction at the checkout. For example, if we want the food to be extra spicy, for example, something like that. Mm, yeah, I think that's all for my part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Bashar bin Kamarul Anwar. My metric number is 2313927. So now I'm going to present about our code. Okay, so now let's look at the menu page first. So of course in the menu page we have header to go to other pages, and we have the HTML for the filter. Okay, the logic behind the filter will be handled by JavaScript. Okay, by the filter category. Okay, this JavaScript will handle the filter, so the user can choose fried dishes or drinks or desserts. And from the container here, as you can see, JavaScript will render all of the products that we store in JSON. Okay, we store all of the products in JSON, and the JavaScript will render it into the page. Okay, in this container. Okay, and it will create a new cart for each of the product. Okay, so we also have mini cart in the page. Whenever the user adds a new product by pressing add to cart button, or by pressing plus button in the mini cart, this mini cart will be responsible, and JavaScript have many functions for it. It will have the toggle mini cart function. If the user has added at least one item to cart, the mini cart will be visible, but if not, the mini cart will be hidden. Okay, so update mini cart will be responsible for calculating all of the subtotals and also for calling toggle mini cart. So when the user press add to cart in the menu web page, add to cart will also call update mini cart to update the subtotal. And when the user press plus or minus button, it will also call update mini cart to update the current subtotal. And when the user remove items, okay, it will also call update mini cart to update the subtotal. Okay, so when the user has done with the menu page, it will redirect, the user will press checkout, and it redirect the user to the checkout page. Okay, so this load checkout function in the JavaScript will load all of the summary, all of the subtotals in the checkout page, so the user can see their summary here, the user can see their taxes. Okay, so when the user has done with the checkout page, the user is already satisfied from the summary, it press proceed to payment. Okay, and will redirect the user to success page here. Okay, this success page say your order has been your order is successful, so now do you want to see the queue? Okay, so if the user want to see the queue, the JavaScript will handle the queue. If you see from the menu here, or actually from here, from the start we already have a queue. Okay, but when the user place a new order, a new queue will be added here. A new row will be added. Okay, so the user will go to the queue page if the user wants to. Okay, so the queue will list all of the current orders, and it will list all of the ETA, and also the whether it's already been completed or not. Okay, So that's all for my part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aziz Azmi bin Nizam. My metric number is 2224537. Okay, I now will explain our coding for about a page. As usual, we use the same style .css. Okay, in this page we use an API, which is we use Google Map API, and this is all the reference for our Google API until the end, until we close the script. And then for this style, for this Google Map, we do a width and height in 100% because we want to ensure the map fill the container. And then we close our head, and then in the body, in the header, like the other page in navigation, we have home, menu, queue, and about us. And then we close navigation and header. But in the main, we have about two container. This first is about text, and then it's about image. In about text, we put two things. First is image, and the second one is a paragraph and about us here. For the second container, this is where we put our map, which we use our Google Map API, and then we put section and main. Okay, now into the script. In this script, first is a window in onload, meaning that this function is when the page fully load, it also will load the map. It's the same with the function. It will say that Google Map is initialized if the page fully load. And then for the var, we use university location. This is where the latitude for the cafe. And also use var map option to make sure the user can zoom to universal location, meaning that you zoom to this latitude. And then from var map, this function to make sure this option is functional in the map. And then the var marker is to pinpoint the exactly latitude we set up. As you can see here in universal location, it will go to here and find this point to put marker. And then we'll close our script. Okay, in the CSS, usually you use a flex, equal center, and responsive command. Okay, that's for the code. Now,
So now we are going to see the web page. Okay, so we have deployed our web page on GitHub. So if you want to go to our web page, you just press this URL, you just enter this URL, and you will go to our page. When the user enter our URL, it will go to home page first. So as you can see, best culinary delights in IIUM, a showcase of culinary skills and mastery. And if you press this order now button, it will go to the menu. Okay, it will go to the menu here, but let's leave it for now. So if you go below, you can see all of the announcements, all of the news. Okay, so for example, we have new dish in town. Okay, we have tom yum fried chicken. Okay, so we will put here so the user can see the latest news. Okay, so also for the announcements, we also will put here whether our shop will be closed or there will be a discount. We will also put on the homepage. Okay, so now let's go to the menu. So when the user press the menu, or they can press here or there now, so it will go to, it will show all of the menus. Okay, or the user can also choose to filter whether the user wants fried dishes or drinks or desserts. Let's say the user wants fried dishes. Okay, so the user just add to cart, and the mini cart will be visible here. Or the user wants to go to drinks and add a new drink. Okay, it will add in the mini cart, and the user can press plus here, or plus and minus again, or can remove. Okay, let's say the user is satisfied and wants to check out, just press the checkout button, and it will go to the checkout page. There's a summary, the user can see the taxes and the total. If the user is satisfied, just go proceed to payment. Okay, so it will go to the successful payment page. It says the payment is successful. Your order number is 516093. The JavaScript will give a new order ID for the user. So if the user wants to go to the queue, press go to queue or press here. It's the same thing. Let's say the user press here. So as you can see, the new queue is here, 516093. Okay, it's in progress. So for that's all for the queue. Let's go to about us. So in about us, the user can see our logo, our kitchen logo, and also a little bit of our info. And we use API, we use Google API to put maps here, so the user can easily find how to go to Mahalali. Okay, the user can scroll down or up, can choose satellite too. Okay, so that's all for the overview of our website. So for the responsiveness of the website, it will be explained by my friend. So that's all for me. Thank you.
okay, now in the website, okay, if you go to about us page, as I said before, the headers contain the navigation and the main body have a two container. This is the first container and this is the second container, which have a logo and the paragraph. And the second container is a map and has a 100, which means you ensure full the container. Okay, it's a marker and it's a function that we declare in our code. Okay, now we go to the responsive. We go back to our coding and go to CSS. And there here we do a rule where If the media screen, meaning that the user that use our website has a max which less than 768, it will change the ratio depend on this setting. As you can see here, this is all our set. What I mean by this is, okay, this is for example, right? You can see this page in the right side, right? If we go to inspect element, we go here. As you can see, it's 1,444 weeks, right? In the setting, we put about less than 760, right? If you push here until less than 700, you can see how the image move like this. As you can see, the picture move to under the paragraph, meaning that it doesn't stack in the right side. Same with this, we see in the full more than 760, it will become like this. If not, we'll fix them by self and go under the image. So it will be responsive to the phone. Save remaining is less than 700. It will go under the menu. More than 768, it become like this. If less, it become like this. Also, we do change about us where the map become the under the paragraph, even obviously to the right side. If more than 700, it will become to the right side. But as you can see, the marker always be center because we will declare to be a center in the map. Okay, that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ahmad Hamid, and today I'm going to present Islamic perspective and API. So for Islamic perspective, we have 3 points here. So firstly is inclusivity in menu and language. In our website, we put the halal logo in the menu page. We put here because we want to state that it is halal friendly, since the menu reflects our local Muslim cuisine, which is Malaysia, and it attends audit IIL community. Secondly, is community focus. Our main focus in our website is to make the Muslim community life easier, as we have features to help them in order their food, and it provides the info for them. Secondly is presentation of contents. We use the respectful praise such as inshallah in the announcement page. For next is API. The first API we use is Google Maps JavaScript API. This API provides access to tools and features for updating and customizing Google Maps on a web page. So what I mean is here, we inherit the Google Maps or API to put in our about us page in our website. So this is the script for the API we use to put the Google Map here. So next API is Google Fonts Popping. This we embed the Poppins font from Google Fonts in web page. For example, as you can see here, all the fonts in the words is Poppins from the Google Fonts, and this is and the picture below here is the coding to inherit the API for the Google Fonts Poppins. So that's all from me. Thank you.